Hi guys, welcome to my first official YouTube video. So I posted a story in which you guys asked me some of the questions regarding me which you want to know. So today we're going to be answering that. Let me quickly introduce myself. So my name is Arya. I am 20. I'm a third year college going student and I live in Jaipur. Okay, let's get into the video now. So first question is your age, where do you live and your college. So as I told, I am 20. I live in Jaipur. And for safety reasons, I don't want to disclose my college. I hope you understand. Next is, what's your height? Okay, why do I have so many of these? So I am 5'1". I'm a certified 5'1" baddie. Okay, next question. What's your dream destination? So I don't have a dream destination right now because I haven't even explored yet. But I love to explore. And I just wanna keep exploring in my 20s. I want to live in different cities and I want to travel different countries in my 20s. So yeah, no dream destination as of now. Tell us about your school life. So my school life was pretty complicated because my school was pretty not chill, I would say. So I had few friends and I did nothing in school. It was just study. So there was no fun in my school. I did not have any school life because I changed so many schools. I think I have changed 8 schools from my KG to 12th grade. I have changed almost 8 schools. How do you manage other things with college? My college has 2 shifts. One is from 9 to 1 and the other is from 1 to 9. So one is from 9 to 1 and the other is from 1 to 5. So I used to have second shift which is 1 to 5 in my last 2 semesters, which was really hard to manage because my cab came around 11:30 and the cab used to drop me off at 7:30. So my whole day I just couldn't do anything. I was so struggling with everything. But in this semester it's from 9 to 1, so I'm mostly free by 2 max. So I come and then I have a lot of time. I go to the gym for an hour or 1.5 hours. I mean, it is a bit difficult to manage everything with college, I know, but if you want something, you have to go get it. Plus, I know some of my friends who just do college and they are too bored from college. So I think it's a privilege for me. How to start content creation and what tips would you give for weight loss? How to start content creation, I would say, see, I'm not here to give any sort of gyan, but I think just start is the best advice. Just start and eventually you will figure out what is working for you and what is not working for you. But how to start content creation? Just get a phone, place it somewhere and just record anything you want. I read this somewhere, create what you would consume. So yeah, start with creating what you consume already. If you like some sort of get ready with me, so start recreating that. Or if you like some storytelling reels, start recreating that. What tips would you give for weight loss? I don't think so I am anywhere eligible to give weight loss tips, but just include protein in every diet and workout. I don't know, don't ask me this. Next question, life goals. So I think life goals are something sacred and they are meant to keep private until they are achieved. So, but I will share you the life goals I have achieved over 1 year, the next year. What is your biggest insecurity? Okay, I'm not sure if right now, but when I was a kid, when I was in 8th, 9th grade, I used to be very insecure about my nose. It is some sort of weird nose. and I really wanted to I want to get a surgery done when I get older. But eventually, I don't think this matters at all. So I don't even find that weird now. Earlier, I used to be, oh my god, I hate this thing. I want to get it fixed. I had this mindset, but I don't anymore. One meal you can have every day. Would you like to answer this? Let my sister answer this. Okay.
Any sort of noodles or rice.
Rice.
Yes, I love rice.
तेरे से थोड़ी पूछा, मेरी बात कर रहा है.
अच्छा तेरे लिए
हाँ.
तेरे लिए for you
One meal you can have every day.
for you it would probably be eggs or
Don't you know me?
okay let me रुक जा यार रोज में राइस हो जाता है नहीं खाती तो रोज खाती हूँ जो रोज खाने का मन करता है तेरा.
Yeah, I eat eggs because of just protein. I don't like eggs.
For you I think it would be pasta or like sushi or ramen. Sushi I think.
Why do you think I can have sushi every day?
For you I think it would be pasta.
Yes, guys, I love pasta. I can have it every single day. I love pasta so much. I absolutely love pasta. Guys, I think she loves pasta. Never mind. Okay, next question. What degree are you pursuing? So, I am doing bachelor's in technology in IT. What made you start content creation? Okay, so back in like 2023 back in 2023 I used to have private account, but I used to love making random videos and just my clips and with a song on it. So I just loved making videos and in general, and my friends always saw a potential in me. I don't know why. I was like I never thought of it. I just never thought of it. And my friends saw some sort of potential in me, and I never thought of it. Like my mom is like कि मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मेरी बेटी videos बनाएगी. So I never thought of it, but I remember two people convincing me very hard and telling me to start content creation. I was like, okay. So yeah, back then I started because of two people, and now it's going great. I love creating content. And I just love who connects with me. So I love you guys. मेरी बहन हर चीज़ में घुस जाती है जो भी मैं करती हूँ. Anyways, and on the money thing, I never really knew that you could make money online, like on social media. I never knew. I used to be on Instagram, but I don't used to like follow influencers. So I never knew that you can make good amount of money through social media. So that actually came along my journey. Next is skincare routine. So I take my skincare routine pretty seriously, but I think that's for another video. So let me know if you want a separate video for my skincare routine. Are you an introvert or extrovert? I'm an ambivert. I love talking to people who are close to me and like who I can open up with, but I don't think I'll talk to someone who I don't know, or just randomly I go out there and talk and introduce myself. I can introduce myself, but I don't think so I can just go around and talk to them without any future or something. I don't know. So I'm an ambivert, but I love to talk to people who are like really close to me. Okay, so this is the last question we have. What's one advice you would give to your younger self? That's deep, but in just one line, you will make it. I know, you will make it. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. These were the most common questions which I answered, and If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe. If you even a little bit felt connected with me or just liked my personality or anything, I would really appreciate that. And thank you for watching, and bye bye.